Hi, I'm Dr. Swati from Radaxis and Cobra, and today we have with us Dr. Harsh Mahajan, and we are going to interview this dynamic and multi-faced personality here on 65th IRIA. Hi, sir. It's a great honor to have you here with us. Sir, as a senior pioneer in radiology, what are your feelings on the 65th IRIA annual conference?
I think the conference is going wonderfully well. It's very well organized. The location and the infrastructure is fantastic, probably the best that we have in our country. And also the enthusiasm of the organizers is tremendous, and they just don't seem to tire. They're taking care of every need of each member who has come here and are providing both an academic as well as a gastronomic feast for all the attendees here. And talking about the trade exhibition, I think it's been set up exceedingly well. Huge halls and booths which remind you of the RSNA. So really good.
So how do you think this robotics technique is going to help in the clinicians in clinical practice?
We've been using this in our department at Mahajan Imaging in Delhi, and for the last 2 years now. And I think it's going to revolutionize the way we do biopsies, drainage procedures, RFAs, even treatments like painful facet joints, nerves. Because with this, you can get absolutely accurate needle localization into any spot which you pick on your CT scanner. It goes automatically to that spot. You do not need multiple passes to be able to reach there. So overall, the number of attempts made are lesser, hence the morbidity, the pain associated with the procedure is lesser. This also, I think, is a tool which can be used by those who may not be very experienced in doing CT-guided procedures, because this tool does the thinking for you. And so probably for centers which do not do guided procedures on a daily basis and have lack of confidence, this may be the way to go. So this is probably low volume centers, tier 2, tier 3 cities, where you just don't do CT guided procedures because you're not sure, you don't do enough. This would be wonderful. And for centers of excellence, or where there is high throughput, again, this is useful in its own way, that it can actually increase your throughput because you don't need multiple passes. And with the RFA device, which is really going to be unveiled very soon, I think burning of normal tissue around tumor cells would reduce. And this, I'm told, has capability of putting in 6 needles at one time and being able to really define which is the part of the tumor to be ablated first. This would really help the interventionalists, whether they be radiologists or clinicians, in achieving the end goal, which always has been to cure the patient of his disease with the least amount of morbidity, least amount of discomfort, and least amount of pain. Thank you. It's a great product, and the fact that it's come out of India makes me really proud. Thank you.
So last question. So what are your inputs and advice to Radaxis and Cobra, our team?
I don't think I can in any way advise you. You're doing a great job. You're very professional, and really, I can only say keep up the good work and keep improving, which I'm sure you will. You are at the cutting edge. You're very good in what you do. Just keep it up. Thank you.